Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! So may bagong update ang Apple Watch. So in-update yung Apple OS ng watch. So ang latest version ngayon is 7.3. So yan, 7.3 na yung latest version ng OS. And yung watch ko is na update ko na. So up to date na siya. So with the latest update, included na yung ECG. So with your Apple Watch, pwede na kayong mag check ng ECG or EKG. So, paano yung gagawin? So, be sure na na-update nyo na yung app nyo. And then, from your phone, from your iPhone, i-set up nyo yung ECG. So, kahit updated na yung Apple Watch OS nyo, hindi automatic na magkakaroon ng ECG app sa watch nyo. So, from your phone, kailangan i-install nyo siya using your phone. So, since ginawa ko na yon, na-update ko na siya and na-install ko na siya from my phone going to my watch. So, ayan. Meron na ako nung ECG app. So, ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-check ng ECG gamit yung Apple Watch nyo. So, tutula kayo doon sa ECG app and then yan yung lalabas, and then hold your finger on the crown. So lagay nyo lang yung finger nyo. So, yan yung result, sinus rhythm with 98 beats per minute na heart rate. So, sabi dyan, this ECG does not show signs of arterial fibrillation, whatever. Fibrillation. Okay. So, sabi rin dyan, Apple Watch cannot check for signs of a heart attack. If you believe you are having a medical emergency, call emergency services. So, not feeling well, you could also add symptoms here. So, pwede nyo ring tingnan doon sa iPhone nyo yung history nung mga ECG checks na ginawa nyo. So, that's it. Yun lang yung kung paano gamitin yung ECG app sa inyong Apple Watch. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up at i-share nyo na rin sa mga friends nyo.